Hey everybody, it's your boy, Keto Tips here. And guess what? It's 2019. And so I thought, what better way to bring in the new year than by me giving you my top 5 keto tips for beginners. So let's get to it. Number 1, talk to the doc. Keto is so much more than just a diet. It's a full-blown lifestyle. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all. That's why I highly encourage anyone considering keto to speak with their doctor and get a second opinion first. Don't be afraid to go the extra mile for your health. Tip number 2, research, research, research. I want you to become a sponge and soak up as much information as you can. There are hundreds, if not thousands, of videos, articles, and studies out there on the internet. You're going to hear terms like keto flu, intermittent fasting, and OMAD, much of which will sound foreign to you. Do your homework and make sure you fully understand what you're committing to. Tip number 3, make a plan. A failure to plan is planned to fail. Or you wouldn't go looking for a treasure if you didn't have a map, right? The same principle applies here. Meal prep on the weekends, write out your weekly grocery list, or plan out meals in advance when you know you'll be going out with friends. Number 4, take pictures. I hope you have an Instagram, because at this point, everybody and their uncle has one. When I first started keto, I took pictures of everything that I ate and posted it on Instagram. Little did I know that I was not only holding myself accountable, but documenting everything I was eating. Also, don't be afraid to take progress pictures of yourself too. You'll be glad you did later on. Number 5, trust the process. This is probably the most important tip of all, if you ask me. Your body is this amazingly beautiful and adaptable machine. Think of it this way. Your body is a car, and it's been running on unleaded gasoline for 20 years. If you all of a sudden switch to premium gas, what's going to happen? Will it instantly perform better the second you turn the car on? Of course not. It's going to take some time before the car adjusts to the new fuel. The same can be said about your body, which you're giving new fuel. So be patient with it and give it time to adjust. And those are my top 5 keto tips for beginners. But I'd love to hear some of yours, so be sure you comment below some of your favorite. Oh, the Kardashians are on. Okay, bye.